Hey everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to connect an Instagram page to a Facebook page in simple steps on your iPhone or your Android. So keep watching this video till the end. So it's much better to use the Facebook application rather than using the Instagram application because it will take more time on the Instagram. So just go ahead and click on the Facebook app. And once you're here, make sure you're logged into your Facebook page, not your personal account. So just click on the icon over here and choose which account you want to use. Choose the page that you want to connect. So just I'm connected to my current page, so this is the page that I'm going to be connecting. So just click on this icon here. If you want to choose different pages, you'll have a lot of options to choose from, so just go ahead with this. And once you're here, just click on the three dots on top and then click on connected experiences, connected profiles, and then choose Instagram. Okay, so they'll ask us to connect the account, so just go ahead and click connect, continue, and they'll ask us to enter the Facebook account password. So just go ahead and enter your password, and then they'll ask us to enter the Instagram username and password as well. So you can go ahead and click on save info. It's better than clicking not now because it will cause issues when you're connecting. So just go ahead and click save info and save info. So they are asking us to switch accounts or log in again. So this is actually a bug which happens most of the time. So just go ahead and click OK every time. You can choose business or creator, whichever you are logged in on Instagram for with. Okay, so just go ahead and click business and scroll down. You'll see the next icon here. Just click on next. So in order to connect your Instagram account to your Facebook page, you will need to switch to a professional account. So make sure you are on a professional account, otherwise it will be difficult to connect. So just go ahead and click continue. So our Instagram account has been connected to Facebook page. So we can just keep clicking on continue or done. So they'll ask us to add it to a business portfolio. So this is automatic, so we can't do anything about it. So they'll automatically add us to a business portfolio. So we can click on continue so that we can go ahead with this. So there you have it. Our Instagram page and Facebook page has been connected. If you come back to the Facebook page and click on the three dots again and click on connected experiences and connected profiles, you'll see that our Instagram account is successfully connected. So that shows that Facebook and Instagram is completely linked together. If you guys found this video helpful, do like this video and also subscribe to my channel. I make similar content like this. Thank you so much and have a nice day.